If you've been on the hunt for a high-quality dashcam, the BlackVue DR970X-2CH Plus 2 could be exactly what you need. In today's review, we'll break down its features, performance, and whether it's the right fit for your vehicle. This dashcam brings 4K UHD recording with HDR and STARVIS 2 sensors for enhanced visual clarity. It's built to capture every detail in any lighting condition, whether you're cruising through the city streets in bright sunlight or navigating the dark roads at night. But does it deliver on its promise of crystal clear footage? Let's find out. Key features. First, the 4K UHD front camera and Full HD rear camera make a great team. The STARVIS 2 sensor provides exceptionally detailed video with high contrast, while the high dynamic range, HDR, ensures that you don't miss crucial details in overexposed or underexposed settings. This makes it perfect for those who need clear footage to identify license plates, road signs, or other important details, no matter the time of day. Next up, video playback is seamless thanks to Wi-Fi and cloud access. No more fumbling around with cables when you need to pull footage from your dashcam. You can connect to your phone and view the footage instantly, or download it straight to your device. For those who want to push it a bit further, you can connect the CM100G LTE module for continuous cloud access, including live view and real-time push notifications. Perfect for anyone who's a bit on edge about their vehicle's safety when parked. Then there's the USB-C installation. It's incredibly fast, so the cam is ready to record almost as soon as you turn the ignition. The USB-C cable provides a solid connection, and it also helps keep your setup neat and professional looking, so you won't have cables everywhere. Pros and cons. Pros: outstanding video quality. With 4K front and Full HD rear recording, the video quality is exceptional, especially in low light. User-friendly setup, installation is easy, and the fast booting means you won't have to wait for it to turn on. Cloud access. The ability to access footage remotely via Wi-Fi or the BlackVue cloud system is a huge convenience, especially for anyone who needs their footage available on the go. Advanced sensor tech. The STARVIS 2 sensor with HDR gives great detail even in tricky lighting conditions. Cons. Pricey. The cost of the DR970X-2CH Plus 2 is on the higher side compared to some alternatives in the market, especially considering the storage isn't included and you need to purchase a microSD card separately. Additional costs for LTE module. To unlock all the cloud features like live view and push notifications, you'll need to buy the CM100G LTE module separately, adding to the overall cost. Harap comparison. Compared to its competitors like the ThinkWare U1000 and Garmin Dashcam 66 Balut, the BlackVue DR970X-2CH Plus 2 has superior video quality thanks to its 4K recording and the STARVIS 2 sensor. The ThinkWare offers similar resolution, but doesn't have the same advanced cloud features or video clarity in low-light conditions. The Garmin, on the other hand, offers a more compact design, but lacks the full UHD quality and cloud integration, making the BlackVue a more robust choice if those features matter to you. Build quality and longevity. The BlackVue DR970X-2CH Plus 2 is solidly built, with a high-end feel that comes with a premium dashcam. It has a sleek, minimalistic design, and its performance has been highly praised by users and experts alike. While long-term data is still limited, BlackVue has a solid reputation in the market, with past models proving reliable over extended use. Expect great durability with consistent performance, especially with the inclusion of the USB-C power connection for added reliability. Customer support. BlackVue's customer support has generally been well-reviewed. Users note that the brand offers prompt responses to inquiries and has a helpful support team, especially when it comes to troubleshooting issues with cloud services or video playback. Who it's for. This dashcam is best suited for drivers who value high-definition video and are looking for advanced features like cloud access and remote viewing. It's particularly useful for those who want peace of mind with features like parking mode that automatically monitors your vehicle when it's parked. However, if you're someone who is more budget conscious, there are more affordable dashcams that still offer good quality, just without the premium features. Conclusion. If you value superior video quality, cloud integration, and advanced safety features, the BlackVue DR970X-2CH Plus 2 is a strong option. Its 4K UHD front camera and HDR capabilities make it one of the best choices for anyone serious about dashcams. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option or don't need all the cloud-based features, you might want to consider alternatives like the ThinkWare U1000. For those who don't mind spending a bit more for premium features and exceptional clarity, the BlackVue DR970X-2CH Plus 2 will likely be a great fit for your needs. Final CTA. If this breakdown has been helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our latest reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time on Autovated, where we keep you in the driver's seat of all things automotive.